Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone 10, 10R, 10s, 10s Max if you're getting no service, invalid SIM card not working, or it's just saying searching or SOS. Any of this, you're going to follow these steps to fix it. First thing is you're going to pull down that control menu and put your phone on airplane mode briefly for about 10-15 seconds and then turn it off, and that does a quick network refresh. Now, if it's still not working, the next thing to do is go into your setting. From your setting here, you're going to go to General and then About and look for a carrier update. If a carrier update is available, it will pop up and you can click on Update. Now, if nothing pops up after 10-15 seconds or so when you're on this page, we're going to move on to the next step, which is going back again from the main settings here. This time we're going to go to General again and then go down to VPN and device management. And if you have a VPN turned on, you want to turn that VPN off as it can interfere with your SIM card. Now, after that, the next thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is, if you're using a physical SIM card, take that SIM card out and then reinsert it back in. The SIM card is usually located on the right hand side on this phone or on the left hand side. You look for this little hole and take a SIM ejector tool like this that usually comes with the phone, or if you don't have this, you can also take a earring or a paper clip and bend it like this, as it works, to just basically put it in that little hole, give it a gentle push, that'll pop the SIM card out, and then just reinsert it back into it and hit OK, and that will help reinitialize the SIM card and reactivate it. And the other thing you also want to do is make sure that the SIM card that you're using is compatible with your phone. So in your settings, General, About, you're going to check the status of your carrier here. If it says no SIM restriction, that means the phone should work on any carrier. Now, if it says SIM locked, it's going to work on the carrier that's listed there. So you need to make sure the SIM card is from that carrier. Now, if you're still having issues, the next thing to do is, starting from the main settings here, you're going to go to General, scroll down where it says Transfer Reset iPhone, tap on that, and then click on Reset, and you want to do a network setting reset. This will reset the network setting. It will not delete any of your data, but important step to do. Now, if it's still not working after that, you're going to go ahead and restart your iPhone. So you can do this by holding the volume up and the side button at the same time, and then click to slide to power off, and then turn it back on by holding on to this big side button or connecting to a charger, and then pull down that from the top menu. If that didn't work, you can also click on the power icon up here, then slide to power off, and then turn it back on. Now, if it's still not working, the next thing to do is connect to a Wi-Fi and then see if there's a cellular update or carrier update out. So in your settings here, you're going to go to General, Software Update, and check if there's an update out. If there is, go ahead and update your phone. Now, if none of this stuff is working, you need to contact your phone provider, carrier, or the company you get the SIM from or the phone service from, and make sure that your account, ask them if your account is in good standing, if they need to add your phone to their system, or even reactivate your line to make sure everything works on their end. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.